Hey, what's up guys? It's Brain Eller, your #1 loan officer. So today I wanted to shoot a quick video on refinancing, all right? Because to be perfectly honest with you, I've been doing them for the past 15 years plus for all my clients. And they call me all the time. The couple things they want to know is, is there a way to lower my interest rate? Is there a way to lower my monthly payment? Some people need to pull cash out or consolidate debt for a particular reason. And I specialize in doing that for literally hundreds of people, okay? And so I wanted to show you kind of like a case study of one that I'm doing right now, because I think that it might be able to help a lot of you guys out there as well if you'd like for me to give you a free quote on it. So if you are interested in refinancing, before I pull your credit or anything like that, I'm gonna ask you, to give me a range of where you think your credit score is. And I'm also going to request for you to send me 2 documents at first, just to get started. So one of them is going to be your current mortgage statement, okay? So just a copy of the actual bill that you get in the mail, all right? And then the other thing that I'm gonna ask you to send me is a copy of your homeowner's insurance declaration page. The reason I need that is because it shows me how much you're currently paying and what your yearly premium is right now on your homeowner's insurance, so that when I run my numbers, I'm actually putting in the real property taxes and the real HOI that you're paying right now, so that when I give you the quote back, my numbers are accurate, okay? So you're gonna send me these 2 pieces of paper, and then I'm gonna run the numbers for you to see what can be done, all right? And so in this particular case, the client called me, they sent me their 2 documents, and right now, all right, they are currently paying $1,873.63, okay? It's right off of this mortgage statement. When they called, they said, hey, I want to consolidate one of my credit cards, which had a balance of $15,000 on it, all right? And on that credit card, their monthly payment was $290. So between their current mortgage and that one credit card, all right, their total monthly output is $2,163 a month. That's what they're currently doing right now. And on this credit card, it has a high interest rate. So they're getting crushed, and they never seem to be able to pay down the balance, right? So they wanted to see if I could consolidate this, but they also wanted to put some home improvements in their house. So they wanted to be able to pull some cash out as well because they have equity in their home. All right, so I ran the numbers and I structured it to where now, okay, this is going to be their new plan. We're going to consolidate that $15,000 credit card, all right? So they won't have that anymore, and they won't be paying that crazy high interest. They're now going to only have one new mortgage payment. So their mortgage payment now is going to be $1,902 a month. Yes, that's higher than the $1,873 that they're paying now, but it's not higher than what they're currently putting out monthly, okay? So right now they're putting out $2,163, and their new payment is only going to be $1,902, so that ends up saving them $261 a month from what they're currently putting out now. And the kicker to this is that we're paying off the card, but I'm also pulling them out $29,000 in cash, that when we go to closing, we're going to wire directly into their bank account for them to use on whatever they want. If they want to use it on their home improvement, or they just want to stick it in their savings account and save it, they can do whatever they want with this money. Also, when we close, they're going to get to skip a month's payment. So they're going to have one month there that they're not even going to have a mortgage payment, all right, for even more savings. So on this particular case, it was a no-brainer. It saved them $261 a month. They got rid of the credit card with the high interest, and they were able to pull out $29,000 in cash. I mean, it's unbelievable, but I do this every day for people. So if you would like to do something similar to this, give me a call today. You can reach me at 703-856-4412. You can direct message me on Facebook or Instagram, and all you got to do to get the free quote at first is just send me those 2 documents, the mortgage statement and the copy of the homeowner's insurance policy, and I'll work up the numbers like this for you. And if it's something that you want to move forward with and do, we'll go ahead and get the loan process started, and I can have you close within about 25 days. And and then we'll take it from there. But I do this for a lot of people every single day, so call me and I'll run the numbers for you. And then if it doesn't make sense to do it, or you don't want to do it after we run the numbers, then no harm, no foul. You didn't have your credit pulled, but you at least found out what you could or couldn't do. All right, talk to y'all later.